Welcome to our comparison of two innovative laundry solutions designed for small spaces. Today, we will be looking at the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 compact dryer, a powerful vented dryer perfect for apartments and small homes, and the portable washing machine, a mini foldable washer ideal for travel and tight living conditions. We'll dive into their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER BCED26 is a dedicated vented dryer that offers 5 drying modes and uses sensor technology to optimize drying times. In contrast, the portable washing machine is primarily a washer with a spin basket for dewatering, making it suitable for small loads like intimates or travel items. This fundamental difference in functionality is crucial for users to consider based on their laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER BCED26 weighs 48.4 pounds and is designed for stationary use, requiring a venting setup. On the other hand, the portable washing machine is ultra-light at just 3.5 pounds and can be easily folded for travel, making it perfect for camping or small apartments. This significant difference in portability makes the portable washing machine a more versatile choice for those on the go. The BLACK+DECKER BCED26 comes with a price tag of $309, reflecting its robust features and capabilities. In contrast, the portable washing machine is priced at just $68, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. However, potential buyers should weigh the cost against their specific laundry needs and usage scenarios. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER BCED26 compact dryer and the portable washing machine offer unique advantages tailored to different laundry needs. If you require a reliable drying solution for small to medium loads, the BLACK+DECKER is an excellent choice. However, if you need a portable, budget-friendly washing option for light items, the portable washing machine is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.